Thank you for tuning in. Here's your instructional video about the assignment for today. What you guys are going to be completing is a review sheet for your Earth Science test, which is scheduled for Wednesday, April 8th. You will see this post. It will look a little different. It will kind of turn up in purple. But what you're going to do is you're going to let me open up the assignment. Okay, it says assignment 446. Complete the review sheet for the Earth Science concept questions. There's 25 questions total to prepare for Wednesday's Earth Science test. Also, please review the review games and Quizlet set to review for the test. So this is also going to be your resources. The test is going to be on 4 topics: the geological timescale, rock cycle, fossils, plate tectonics, which basically can be broken into the different types of plates, Earth's crust, the mantle core, etc. Okay, so the notes that you did last Monday, okay, so a week ago. So if you open up this review sheet, which I'll open it for you so you can kind of see what you're going to be doing. Okay, it is a Google Doc, so you're going to be writing right on the doc. So you'll put your name, you'll put your date and period as you normally would, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go through. There's 3 basic parts. There's a multiple choice section, then there's like a matching section, and then there's going to be a fill in the blank section. Okay, so number 1, what is a fossil? Is it A, any dead organism? B, the preserved remains or traces of an organism? C, a perfect copy of a rock? Or D, an unusual type of rock? So you'll put the answer right there. We know that the answer is B, so you'll just type in B. Okay, so then you're going to scroll down. These are all multiple choice. You may see some of these questions again tomorrow. To give you some clarity on this picture, number 6, you're going to double click. And you've done this in the past, and then you're going to label the different parts 1, 2, and 3 of the Earth. Now, remember, there's 3 parts. There's technically 4. We considered the inner and the outer core, the mantle, and then the crust. In this case, they kind of combined both the inner and outer core. Okay, so hopefully that will help you with that one. Continuing. So there's in total 10 multiple choice questions. Then you're going to do this matching section dealing with the different types of rocks. And then the third part is your completion question. So I gave you a word bank. There's a series of 11 questions, and you have 12 answers because one of them actually has 2 blanks. So you'll do this again. Wherever you see a line, you'll double click. And then it says a series of processes known as the blank slowly changes rocks from one kind to another. So obviously that answer is the rock cycle. Okay, so you'll double click on that line, that red line, and then it will change the text that way. Okay. Also, you'll see down at the bottom here is a list of a bunch of vocabulary terms, which is good for you to kind of go through. I know in class, if we were in class, I would say, all right, look at the list. Which ones jump out at you? Okay. So if there's some that jump out to you, kind of take note of that so that we can kind of talk about it. You can email me, say, I don't know what this word means. I don't know what that word means. I would love to help you. Okay. So there's your vocab. You can also look here. I created a Quizlet set for you with basic vocabulary from Earth Science. So you can go through, you can play any of the games or just review with basic flashcards. And then there's a bunch of quizzes games. And again, you can just play these quizzes games how often you want, just to review to kind of make sure that you know the content. Again, the topics are the geological timescale, the rock cycle, fossils, and then plate tectonics. So while you see this is loading, which is taking a little bit of time. This one's specifically on geological timescale and fossils, right? So if you think you need a little refresher, then definitely play this game. And then you could replay all the respective games. One's on the plate tectonics, the other one's on the rock cycle. Okay, so please use those resources for you. Again, your test is on Wednesday, and we just want to make sure that you are prepared. If you need help, if you're stuck, no problem. Just reach out to your teacher, and we would love to help you. Have a great day.